welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifoma. I'm a fashion designer and a pattern dressmaker. So on today's tutorial, we're going to be making oh my god, it's so hot in here. So let's just jump right into this tutorial. Here's a list of things we'll be using for this tutorial. So now what we're going to do is, on our satin fabric, we're going to measure a 26 by 26 inches length and width, and we're just going to fold it 3 times, just like in the video, so we could get a triangle, just this triangular shape. Then I'm going to pin that down to avoid, it's sleek here, so if you don't pin it down, it's definitely going to be moving about. So I'm measuring it 13 inches all round so we could get our perfect circle. So I'm cutting off the excess now. Really don't need that part. Next up, we're moving over to the black doll face satin. So we're doing the same thing. We're folding it to get our triangle, pinning it down. After that's done, instead of us just measuring all over again 13 inches, all I did is just place the other pattern, the other cutout fabric on this black one. That way it's easier and faster. Taking out the pins now, and we have our full circle. We're going to take this to the machine now and sew. Yep. So we're sewing on 0.5 inches round. So guys, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the doorbell to get notified when I post a new video, and like, comment, share. Yep. So guys, note I didn't sew all the way to the end. I left about 1.5 inches so I could use to turn the fabric inside out. Yes, so guys, once you're done, you should have something that looks like this. You take this to the ironing board, give it a good press. We're going to be sewing around at about 1 inches. So if you can see, you'll notice I sew round at about 1 inches. Remember that opening we left 1.5 inches. We're going to be using that to pass our elastic. The elastic I'm using here is a 0.75 inches elastic. I'm using the safety pin to pass it round. I already measured out the length of the elastic is 12.5. So after passing the elastic through the 1 inches, we're basically going to sew to secure the end of the elastic. So once that is done, we're going to be closing our 1.5 inches we left open. So guys, when you're sewing this part, you need to be careful so you don't sew on the elastic. It can be a little bit tricky, but then you get the job done. Once that is done, your hair bonnet is ready. It should look like this. So guys, follow me on Instagram. I'll also keep the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.